Hello and welcome to How to Pronounce Spanish. Today's phrase is hello, my name is. There's a few ways to go about introducing yourself, so we'll cover some of the common ways to do it. Okay, let's start with hola, me llamo. Let's use it. Hola, me llamo Bill. Hola, me llamo Bill. Hola, me llamo Bill. Now, let's try a different version. Hola, mi nombre es. Let's use it. Hola, mi nombre es Bill. Hola, mi nombre es Bill. Hola, mi nombre es Bill. Lastly, we have hola, yo soy. Let's use it. Hola, yo soy Bill. Hola, yo soy Bill. Hola, yo soy Bill. And that's all for today. Check out these other videos to help you with your Spanish. And if you found this video useful, share it and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.